Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure the watch is charged above 50% and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Open the companion app you installed. Sign in if required. On the watch, choose language and enter pairing mode, often named Pair or showing a QR code. Once done, in the app tap Add Device or Scan, then allow Bluetooth permissions. Make sure notifications and location permission are granted because the app uses them to detect the watch and complete the initial link. You'll see the watch appear in the app list. Tap it and compare the pairing code shown on both devices to confirm identity. Allow the app's permission requests one by one, contacts and notifications let alerts mirror to your watch, and location is often needed for connectivity. Once accepted, start sync. The app transfers profiles, watch faces, and sometimes firmware. Do not close the app or move devices too far apart while syncing. This can interrupt transfer and cause partial setup. You now set the watch time. Prioritize automatic sync with your phone so the watch stays accurate when you travel. If you must set time manually, open time settings in the app or on the watch, choose time zone, and adjust daylight savings as needed. Once time matches, test notifications and alarms. If time or sync fails, restart both devices, disable and re-enable Bluetooth, then repair through the app. Make sure the companion app's permissions are still granted to allow time synchronization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.